Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create a Facebook post in Canva. So first of all, we are now in the home page of Canva. We go to templates. After going to templates, we just go here and find social media. After going social media, we search Facebook post. So we will choose from a lot of templates here. So maybe that our Facebook post is this one. So we can just easily customize the template of our Facebook pages, or we can add more elements like other posts as well. Let's say that we just add a page, press this, then add another one. So we can see that here, or we can also change this, call this fonts. So let's say, for example, my day. So here are very good Facebook posts or Instagram posts, for social medias. Then you can change the background. You can also change the fonts here. So we can just go to elements here and just select whatever elements you want to add to your posts or whichever customizations you can do. Here we can just go to this one, effects here. If you want splice or you want echo, so the echo looks better. So then just press share, and that's ready for uh, Facebook post already. Just press this. So once again, that's all for this video. Just explore these templates if you want some more Facebook posts through Canva. So once again, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come. Thank you for watching.